In this video, we will be talking about the reproductive system of the female cat. To start out, we have the ovary. Before birth, the ovaries contain stem cells called onogonium. Until birth, these onogonium will continuously split, and at the point of birth, all onogonium will be converted into primary oocytes. These oocytes will maintain inactive until puberty, when the anterior pituitary gland releases FSH, which causes follicle cells to start forming around primary oocytes, and then the process begins where the primary oocyte will split into a secondary oocyte as well as a polar body, and follicle cells will begin to continuously grow to form a mature testicular follicle. At the point where the testicular follicle is fully matured, the anterior pituitary gland will release luteinizing hormone, which will cause the follicle now to rupture, releasing the egg cell and some surrounding follicle cells. This process is called ovulation. LH will also cause the corpus luteum to form from the now ruptured testicular follicle, and the corpus luteum will begin releasing progesterone. Now we move on to the uterine horns and the uterus. With the release of progesterone, the endometrium, the inner walls of the uterine horns and uterus, will begin to thicken to provide nutrients, hopefully, for offspring. If fermentation of the fertilization, yes, not fermentation, fertilization of the egg cell occurs, it will implant into the walls of either the uterus or uterine horns. If fermentation does not occur, fertilization, thank you, Carmine, does not occur, the corpus luteum will stop producing progesterone and begin to break down, and the now thickened endometrium of the uterine horns and uterus will begin to kink and fall away. This is called menstruation.
All right.